everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there on the bottom right-hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel, let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an oddball Wednesday. Today we've got the Marvel Platinum Hobby Box. Yowzers. Some big bangers out of this sucker. Hopefully we get one. But pretty cool. We figured we'd get a box. We saw there was 2 left. We picked up 1. So let's see what we get. Before we do that, you know what you gotta do. Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm gonna get you entered into this flawless briefcase drawing. This sucker stuffed full of number cards, parallel cards, relic, sapphire cards, graded cards, pretty cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole boatload of autographs. Because every break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I'm gonna be throwing in a Donovan Warren autograph and number 2, Derek Tangelo autograph from Wildcard. Yowzers. These 2 autographs are going into the flawless briefcase. You want to shot at them and all the other good stuff that's in there? All you got to do is just leave me that comment below. All right, let's get this show on the road and see what we get. Alrighty. Let's get something sweet. This will be a first look for us. Haven't opened up a box of these. Wow, oh, you got stickers on the side here. Okay, all right. Alrighty. Okay, fat packs. Gotcha. All right. Alrighty. Big in there? I don't think so. All right, let's see what we get. Maybe we get something good. Ooh, shiny. It's like chrome. They're like chrome. That's pretty cool. I'm digging it. We got a Spider-Man, black Spider-Man. Digging it. We got Leader. Nice card stock. These are good. I like these. These are pretty good cards. I like the platinum cards already. Thing. And we've got an Incredible Hulk. WI cover variant. Could be a good one. Oh, we got Falcon. Ooh, we've got a purple Juggernaut. Nice. Blue Rainbow. You guys gonna let me know in the comments if I hit a banger. We got Bullseye. And that is numbered to 799. Bullseye numbered to 799. Very nice. We got a Colleen Wing base. Deadly Hands of Kung Fu. Pretty interesting. Got a Marvel Girl base and a base Dark Phoenix. I like how they say it on the back. Base, rainbow. Oh, we got a rainbow. Oh, sorry. Base, and base. All right. So this is a, okay, I see. It's a rainbow refractor. I get it. So that's pretty cool. I like how they do that on the back. Cover variant, blue rainbow, and teal wave. So I'm gonna let you know what the variants are. Because some cards you'll skip right past them and you won't even know if you got a variant or not. That's interesting. Okay, so we got a Cable. Base card. We've got a Tanilus. Mephisto. Amazing Spider-Man. Nothing can stop the Sandman cover variant. Captain Marvel Rainbow. Yep. Ooh, a Baron Zemo Yellow Rainbow. James Rhodes. Very cool. And that is number to 499. Blue Tracks. Got a Storm base card, Morbius base, and a Sentry base. I'm digging these cards. If I get a good one, I'll probably send it off to get graded. Look to be in really good shape. Got ourselves a Havoc. Mary Jane Watson. Jean Grey. Fantastic Four cover variant. Captain America Rainbow. It's very cool. Captain America card. A Medusa Yellow Rainbow. Odin. Dapper Open. Number to 399. Beyonder. Iron Fist and Grim Reaper. I like these. Got ourselves a Loki. Kingpin. A Malekith. Not familiar with him. And Amazing Spider-Man cover variant. Grim Reaper Rainbow. Ooh, a Morbius Red Rainbow. Very cool. And a Medusa. Number to 99. Green Crackle. Captain Marvel. Man-Wolf. And Spider-Man. All right. Thought that red one was going to be a number to 5 or something. Shucks. She-Hulk wearing a uniform I haven't seen before. This is an old one, I guess. Colossus, that's a very cool card. Got ourselves a Drax the Destroyer. That's what's up. Guardians of the Galaxy. We got an Iron Fist. That's Sabretooth? Yeah. Cover variant. Gamora. Rainbow. A Crossbones. Oh! Crossbones. Red Rainbow. And we got an auto. Sabretooth auto. Gwen Stacy. Howard the Duck. Very cool. Vision. Vision's kid, I guess. But we got a red Sabretooth. Oh, it's not numbered, it's just the base then. No, Creator Auto Red Rainbow. Okay. Very cool Sabretooth card. Red Rainbow. Guess it's the variant, but not a numbered card. Curious. Very cool. Got an auto. I'll take it. I'll take it. Got ourselves a Kang. Fighting skills. Speed is fast. Base. Got a Quicksilver. Got another Falcon. Fantastic Four cover variant. Sentry Rainbow. Got ourselves a Red Rainbow Moon Knight. And a Spider-Man cover variant Rainbow. Okay, I guess that's a good one. Kid Omega base. We got Superior Spider-Man and an Angel base. I think this one's a good one. Pretty sure it is. Check this one out later. Rainbow cover variant. Yeah, very cool. So it's one of my favorite cards so far, Captain America. Ourselves a Gamora. Winter Soldier. Is that Bucky? Yes, so. A younger Bucky. And we got a cover variant of a Brother Voodoo. I think I saw an autograph of him. 101 autograph go up for sale. Got a Kang Rainbow. And a Storm Red Rainbow. Very cool. And comic covers Rainbow. Iconic covers. Magneto and Luke Cage and Cosmic Ghost Rider. Not just a Ghost Rider, but a Cosmic poster art. I think this is a good one too. I'll have to look it up. Man, 3 more packs to go. Got ourselves a Groot. What's up, Groot? Man, that's a vicious looking Groot. Electra. Cyclops. And Amazing Spider-Man cover variant. A Beyonder Rainbow. And a Heimdall. Black Rainbow. Cool. And iconic covers, Marvel Platinum. Okay, so maybe these aren't the best of the best. Black Widow, Domino, I like Domino, and Omega Red base. Drop that base. And we got ourselves a Vulture. Mystique. Captain Marvel. Ooh, very cool. Nick Fury, cover variant. Got a Quicksilver Rainbow. Oh, Typhoid Mary. Oh, this was the iconic Typhoid Mary. I loved the comics of her. Purple Rainbow. Oh, this is cool. Platinum Duos, Hulk and Wiccan. Huh, Platinum Duos. Sabretooth. Yeah. Base. We'll put that with him. Hulk and Captain America. All right, does it give you your odds? It does give you your odds. Yellow rainbow, blue rainbow, purple. Black rainbow, 1 in 20. Teal wave. Blue tracks. Orange checkers, blue rainbow, green rainbow. Numbered to 5, gold rainbow. Red, 1 in 171. Purple, 1 in 800. Yozers. Super statistics. Alrighty then. Last pack. Let's see if we get something good. I enjoyed these. I like these. I would probably pick up another box of these. Ultron base. Iron Man base. Wasp base. Get ourselves a cover variant of Hawkeye. Black Winter. Star-Lord. That's funny. He looks funny in there. And another iconic covers. Iron Fist. Rainbow. Emma Frost. And I got number to 199. Modius Cho. It's like that weird Hulk guy. Yeah, red prism. And a blue rainbow. Huh, pretty interesting. I would say our big winner here is the autograph. Definitely. Sweet, slick, awesome. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. More Hobby Box breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.